Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video I have a project share and a tutorial on how to create a mini dangle. I'm featuring Happy Crafter Shop's new die set. It is the Bow Bag Topper 2025. Hopefully it's not sold out, guys. If it's not sold out, you better snatch it. Use code Poochie10 on anything from happycraftershop.com to save 10% off your entire purchase, okay? So let's get into these bag toppers, you guys. You're gonna get three. Before I show you those, let me just show you the dies. All right, you're gonna get 3 bag toppers, and you're also gonna get coordinating bows to layer up, okay? And let me just show you guys. So for example, this is one of the bag toppers, and then you get the coordinating die set to it so you can layer it up, okay? So 3 sizes, and I went ahead and made up all 3. I used my digital paper for the background. I put some tulle. You guys know I love to put tulle. I tied a yellow satin bow, and I put one of her bunny cabochons. These are so pretty, guys. I'm so sad I only have one left. But this is the smaller size of her bow bag topper. And I did the same thing with all of them. This is the medium. So pretty. And then this is the large. So cute, guys. Let me measure these for you guys. Okay, so the biggest bag topper is going to measure 3 by 3 and maybe an 1/8. The middle size is going to measure 2.5 by 2.5. And then the baby one is going to measure 2 inches by 2 inches, you guys. So adorable. So these are gonna be bag toppers, obviously. Let me move up a little bit just so you guys can see my idea here. I also went ahead and created some dangles using her beads. I'm featuring these beads here, her iridescent ones. The little pack of the pastel, they're like milky, like a jellyfish, really pretty. And then her faceted ones that are like this. And I actually have to put one together. So let's do that really quickly. Let me get my little, I love these from Amazon. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll leave a link for you all. But I just bought a new pack of these because I've been running low. These are perfect for just wrapping a single bead. So I went ahead and I used a daisy spacer. And then we're gonna go in with our little oval faceted bead, and it's translucent. And then top it off with another daisy spacer. And then I want this the smallest hole, so I'm gonna just roll it at the very tip of my round nose pliers. I'm gonna continue to roll until I can't anymore. And then there goes your little bead. So I used a yellow and a pink one. She also has a really pretty mint, but I'm keeping with the theme. And so I created this cute little dangle. This is a bead from my stash, but I know you guys have tons of bows from her shop. And then I got these little Temu bags that I thought would be really cute to just take one of the dangles. Of course, you can use a clear bag. I kind of like that this has a white edge. So have that in there. And then you can take your bag topper, put some like, what do you call that? Removable adhesive, and you have a really cute little package, you guys. Isn't that adorable? Maybe I'll go the extra mile and embellish this a little bit. I'm not sure, but tell me what you guys think about this. So there goes the large. Here's the medium, and they're all the same size bags. And then here is the small. And I will leave it like, you know, the little tip right here, the hole hanging up top. But how adorable is that, guys, for packaging your Happy Mail and stuff? So let's go ahead and create this little dangle. So I went ahead and I wrapped a bow bead. And then we're gonna be using one of her pink iridescent ones, a white, a yellow, and a darker, like a hot pink from her milky ones. And then one each of the faceted ones, the pink and the yellow, okay? So Lisa, thank you so much for this little kit. It came so in handy, girl. And this kit that she gave me, it has a jump ring. I'm going to use the biggest one. I'm going to use some of the chain that she provided. And then I'm going to use some jump rings. All right. So let's start with the base. I'm going to go ahead and take my bow. And I'm going to go with the smaller jump ring. Like a medium-sized jump ring. I'm going to go ahead and loop that to my chain. And I'm going to go ahead and close this off. It's very important that you guys close these off well so that nothing falls off of your dangles. Okay. So just like that, we have the chain. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the bigger jump ring. We're going to open that up with both of our tools. And I'm going to go ahead and put, let me see. I'm going to go with all three. So I'm going to loop one. Let's do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and loop the chain. And I'm going to add the third. And I'm going to add that bigger bead, but I'm going to do it like with a separate jump ring. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my lobster clasp. Okay, and we're going to close this bad boy up. You guys know I love gold, so I put bead caps on all these beads to make them extra. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some tinier jump rings. These are tiny jump rings. I think they're like 4 millimeter, you guys. And I'm going to loop these oval ones at the very top of this chain. Since they're long, I like the way they dangle and show some of the chain still. So I'm gonna loop one on each side of that very first chain loop. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another tiny jump ring. I hope you guys can see this well. Open this up, go ahead and place my bead on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach it the same hook that it's on, but on the opposite end. Okay, close that up really well, be careful. I really shouldn't be using my round nose pliers for this, but. And then I'm gonna go ahead and attach that pink iridescent one with another jump ring. Okay, so let me open my jump ring first. And I'm just gonna attach this in between, somewhere on this hook, the very first jump ring, the top of the jump ring, where we have the 3 beads. That is where I'm gonna hook this. And again, make sure you close it really well. There we go. And there you have your adorable little mini charm that you can gift to someone. You can attach these to anything, guys. A cute little tag. You can attach it to the side of a bag. You can attach this to a junk journal. Just the possibilities are endless. And then again, you're just going to take your little bag. And then take your bag topper, add some removable tape or just a dab of hot glue, and that pretties it up even more, guys. Aren't these cute? So I'm loving this bag topper. Make sure you guys snatch it. This is the yellow ribbon that I use. If you're interested, it's from Hobby Lobby, and it is 3/8 of an inch. And then I also use my pink tool. So guys, bust into your stashes. I know you guys have all kinds of trims that you can layer up on top of these beautiful bow bag toppers, all right? Again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about my project, and I will catch you all on the next video. I hope that this is not sold out, guys. If it is, just leave her a message. Lisa's really good about, she's been really good about restocking things. So I don't know. I know that the doily set was restocked. I'm not sure if this is still in the shop or not, but I would definitely grab it if you haven't grabbed it, okay? And if you missed my previous videos, I have a playlist listed down below where you can check out all my videos from Happy Crafter Shop. I do have a video on the other 2 die sets that I played with. And then I also did a tutorial on how to create these little beaded carrots, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video once again. And I hope that you enjoyed all my project shares for Happy Crafter Shop. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.